name's Koi.
And I am Michelle. We are the Science Outreach Officers for YSA Sydney.
This week is National Science Week and we're celebrating science and technology in Australia.
Also part of this week, YSA will be hosting some awesome trivia nights.
And we are dropping some fun and interesting science videos that you can do at home. Guess what, Michelle?
What?
Did you know that these videos might help you in our trivia nights? So if you want to get some amazing hints, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every day we drop a video.
And if you want to know more information about National Science Week, we have also linked their website in the description.
If you want to do some awesome videos like we are right now, go to our website and that will be linked down below. If you really like this video, don't forget to like and comment. We really appreciate those.
Please stay safe during these times. We'll see you in the next video.